Hello everybody, how you doing? So this is the final reveal of the Conveyex I have been working on. I had to redesign a bunch of stuff, including the gearbox, because if you follow along Flickr and Facebook, you saw that I did snap a gear on this, so it took a little bit of a redesign to make the gears a little more robust. As you can see, I added the back end hopper cars, and I've been able to frame in the battery box and the remote sensor by doing that. So before I bore you to death with talking, let's see how this thing works. Very quickly, for size comparison, the Conveyex is about the same length as Snoke's Star Destroyer and is pretty much the same weight. So the fact that it's able to ride on those rails at all, I think is quite impressive. I hope you've enjoyed following me along the progress with the Conveyex. I don't know my next big project, but I'm going to be organizing my studio space and thinking of something big again to do, and possibly motorized. If you have a suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. I love getting suggestions and ideas from other people, and it sometimes spurs on my own imagination to be more creative. I will be doing a breakdown video of the Conveyex, as well as making the instructions available on Rebrickable. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.